अभी मैं इसको एक नई चीज़ को मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ that lot of people are now basically looking at they have worked with Tally. The size of the company has become large. The capacity to handle large databases is becoming restricted for these companies. So they are actually looking at they are looking to migrate to a database which can handle a system which can handle more set of transactions. Now, for these companies, migrating to the standard ERPs like which are there is costing minimum 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs, 70 lakhs, at times even a crore, because these ERPs are very expensive based on a relational databases system, right? The other thing is that they have got done a lot of customizations within Tally, so they want to keep those customizations. And the straight SaaS-based systems which are available are not very not very friendly. So they will say, okay, fine, you want to use our system, you have to shift to a data model, but there are a lot of customizations which have already been done in Tally. So basically, to incorporate the needs of such clients, what my company has done is, you can now also, we have made a data warehouse wherein we bring in the on-fly calculations of Tally at the database after extracting the raw data of the Tally base. And then there are basically two modules which we are incorporating. One is the data entry module, wherein based on the same way as it is was in Tally, you can actually enter the data, but this time the data entry would not be done in Tally. It will actually be done at the relational database level. So unlike the other mobile APIs wherein you, when you press that data, then the data goes directly into Tally, the ledger is created and the group is created and then the other things, this will go directly onto the database. And then you can of course view your reports, which can be both from Tally as well as from the data entry format. And you can see the complete set of details by voucher, ledger, bill and so forth. अब इसमें सर आपको ये फ़ायदा है कि वी कैन गेट ऑल योर यूज़र डिफाइंड फील्ड्स, जो भी कस्टमाइजेशंस हैं वो भी है. इट्स द सेम फील्ड एंड द सेम नॉमेनक्लेचर एज एन Tally. कोई डिफरेंस नहीं होगा. यू विल जस्ट बी गेटिंग अ क्लाउड बेस्ड सिस्टम बेस्ड ऑन दिस. For those people who are already on Tally server, जिन्होंने अपना सर्वर लिया हुआ है, you're using your server for doing it, the migration to the new database can be very very fast, and designing of the custom forms can be done very very easily, and this documentation would be there. And at any point of time wherein if you want to enter the data back into Tally, suppose for audit purposes or you are feeling comfortable, we'll give you the Excel import facility from here, and you can plug in the data back into Tally in Excel format. So for those people who want a custom accounting package with data entry formats, this could be, I think, a very good option, wherein even the data entry we can do it using the web app. And you can get your own custom module designed with it. The other thing which we have found a lot is with regards to budgeting, because budgeting is something which is tricky, and within Tally it causes a lot of it's very complicated because this thing, so you can adjust, get the budgets in a row and a column level here also, and so that the reports are going to be very fast. Just to put things in in perspective, if I actually look at the speed with which the this thing is there, the refresh times are going to be significantly faster. And plus on top of it, we will give you a mobile app which is going to be Microsoft based, wherein you can actually get all your reports using the best in class mobile app here. So you can actually get it here, and you can see it, the data in a graphical easy to use format on your web app anytime you want to. All this is from the ERP which is there, because it's a ready-made data warehouse, so you can actually see all the data. We have a lot many more very very good very very good mobile apps which have been customized mobile apps which have been made. So you can actually use these, like batch allocation analysis. You can get a very very attractive and an intuitive report. Currently, that is very difficult. Now, the benefit of all of this is that you're actually currently using your own investments and own server for your or getting your own ERP made. You're not actually transferring your data to someone else's ERP, someone else's server. Your own server is there. You own the data, because if you own the data, you own the business. The person who owns your data owns your business, right? So that's how the thing is, because they can always sell it across. But here in this case, the option is that in this particular case is that you're using your own tally server. You've already purchased about 3 to 4 lakhs, and now you want to use that for your own data entry purposes, data audit purposes. You want to develop your own custom ERP, custom forms, and you just want it faster than what it was in tally, because many of the customers are now facing a lot of issues with regards to multiple companies, multiple batches. The reports are very slow. If they need to get intimation to various number of customers, automate the emails or WhatsApp, uh, it takes in a lot of effort or memory from tally, because it's a hierarchical database. Alternatively, they just might want to say, okay, fine, we want to build up a custom web app portal. So they might say, okay, fine, that uh, if I want to view the reports, I want to give each person the access based on row level and column level, the access to my portal. Whoever needs to enter the data can enter the data, whoever not to. And I want to get more control over advanced applications like material requirement planning, which is really complex within tally. So I want to get it done. And but I still want to retain my tally business logic with the same UDFs, the same tally format. So then for them, this could be a very good option. We can make a custom ERP for you, based on the tally hierarchy and tally logic. So in case you have any such requirements, like for example, getting into this portal is very easy. You can just do it here. I will this thing, and each person will get a login. So if the login is wrong, then it will be failed. But if the login is correct, then you can get in. Oh dear. So I think I made it to this thing. So if the login is incorrect, then you will not get in. So you can make your own web portal and take it from there. This thing is there. I might be I've got it wrong. So again, I got it wrong. I'm sorry about this. So I'm just making a typing mistake here. So you can log in. If the login does not work correctly, then you can do it. We have already done the transfer of the business logic from tally onto the database. That we have done a lot of web series. You can see the documentation also. So please do get in touch with us in case you want to migrate onto a higher end ERP using our solution. Thank you.